Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Let's learn some colors names. Purple color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, violet color, black color, orange color, red color. Today we will learn alphabets A to Z. Let's start with the alphabet A. Which letter is this, kids? A. I'm starting with violet color. A. A for animals. A. B. B for bank. B. C. C for country. D. D for door. E. E for eggplant. F. F for finger. G. G for girl. G. H. H for home. I for ice cube. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N for newspaper. O. O for octagon. P. P for postcard. Q. Q for quarter. R. R for rainbow. S. S for sky. T. T for train. U. U for uniform. V. V for vulture. W. W for window. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Now we will revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.